Hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to Daily Trading Analysis video. Today is a Thursday, 23rd of July. So we're gonna start off with the Euro against US dollar. Right here we are seeing the price has recovered from the drop, and right now it is seeing registered again at the resistance level of 1.0949. So in this case itself, there might be a double top that's forming right here. Alright, so if we are looking for the short opportunity, right here could be a good chance to go for the short. At the same time, it is also registered at the 55 moving average. However, if you were to break above this level, the next level that I will be looking for I will be expecting the price will retrace a much higher, all the way back to the trend line itself, the falling trend line, somewhere the price of 1.1067, which is the Fibonacci expansion level of 161.8%. So take note of this level. If price were to break above for a long opportunity, for the short opportunity. Of course, expecting price to fall all the way back to the key support level, the price of 1.0821, and further down back to the previous low, based on the weekly chart at the price of 1.0562. Hello. Next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Alright, what happened is that this morning itself, price has actually appreciated, contradictory in a way that's because the Reserve Bank of New Zealand actually cut interest rate to 3%, and well, supposedly we are expecting price to fall further, but probably because it was pretty much expected, there was a contradictory outcome as well. So since price is going upwards, we are expecting price to retrace further, all the way back to the top of the falling trend line, as you can see right here in the 4-hourly chart. Alright, so if you look at this itself, we are expecting price to appreciate a little bit further. Look at the price of 0.6683 to go for a short opportunity again. Alright, so that's for the New Zealand dollar against US dollar. Next we have the pound against the US dollar. Alright, so this is the 4-hourly chart. As you can see, the price has slowly break above the 55 moving average, while moving towards the top of the falling trend channel. Oops, sorry, that's the wrong chart. Alright, so this is the pound against the US dollar. Alright, so back to the 4-hourly chart. Well, price was still little change. It recovered from a drop itself, and right now it's mostly moving in a range, or rather is still consolidating. We may be expecting price to appreciate further, as we know that the Bank of England is also looking at raising interest rate, as they see that there's a risk of inflation in the economy itself. So there's a chance that price may appreciate further from here. Alright, and we are expecting price to appreciate a lot further. Look at the key level, would be all the way back to the exhaustion level at the price of 1.5885, Fibonacci expansion 1.4%. So in this case itself, you might want to look for a long opportunity. Look at the smaller time frame to look for a retracement. So right now we can see the price is beginning to appreciate. So you may just want to wait for a while till you see further retracement before going for the long. And that is pretty much for the pound against US dollar. Just take note that later on at 4:30 PM plus 8 GMT there will be a retail sales. You may want to use that piece of news to capture the trend itself. Alright, so next we have the Aussie against the US dollar. In the 4-hourly chart, we are seeing that price is currently supported at a key support level at the price of 0.7368, Fibonacci expansion 1.4%. I would like to bring you to a smaller time frame, the 15-minute chart. Over here we are seeing that there is a inverse head and shoulder formation that's forming right here. For expecting price to appreciate further, you may want to start going for a long. Besides the inverse in the shoulder formation itself, we are also expecting price to retrace further, while moving towards the resistance level, the price of 0.7488. Alright, if not, if you would like to go for a long-term short, then you may want to wait for price to retrace all the way at least back to the price of 0.7488. Alright, it may start to fall a little bit earlier, before you even reach that level. Alright, so that's pretty much for Aussie against US dollar. Next we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. Alright, so in the 4-hourly chart we can see that price has gained a little and then it starts to move sideways. Zooming the smaller time frame, there was actually a probable inverse in the shoulder that's forming, but right now we are seeing more of a consolidation itself. And looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see that there's kind of a triple tops here, and expecting price will fall a little bit further. So if you would like to go for a long, alright, you can look at the price of somewhere the price of 123.69 for the better entry price to go for a long. Right, as for the dollar against the Japanese yen, based on the past behavior, when dollar yen begins to embark on an uptrend, we are usually expecting a much steeper appreciation. So this time round, I would suggest that the retracement wouldn't be wouldn't be holding for very long. So that could be a good price to go for a long. But however, if price were to break below the previous low here, then we are actually looking at the price of 123.30 for the next level to go for a long. Alright, so that's for the dollar against the Japanese yen, and last but not least, we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. Alright, so by the 4-hourly charts, price is kind of little change. It gained a little after retracement, but as you can see, it's beginning to fall again. And two levels to take note of. First level will be back to the previous low right here at the price of 0.8567 to go for a long opportunity. However, if price were to break lower than that level itself, we are actually looking at the price of 0.9534 to go for a long, or rather in between the region of 0.9534 to the price of 0.9503, which is the Fibonacci expansion level 161.8%, to look for a long opportunity instead. Right, and that's pretty much for the dollar against the Swiss franc. With that, I've come to the end of today's trading analysis video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.